Here. Hello. See if anyone. Hello. Welcome back to my channel, Wildlife plus Outdoor Adventures with Wildlife and Outdoor Collide. I'm Antoine Marshall with another episode. I'm right here in Belleville, Michigan, about maybe half an hour, 40 minutes outside of downtown Detroit. And we're at another pet store. And this time it is strictly birds. I'm at Exotic Bird Pet Shop. We're gonna go in here because it's super cold. Before we go in, hit that subscribe button, like and share. Thank you guys for supporting, super and liking this video, and liking my content actually. Let's go in here, let's see what they have, and I'm not gonna hold you guys up anymore, all right? Woo! All right, here we go. Oh, shoot. Oh, wow. Look at this. How you doing? Oh, wow. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. So they have them out. He's a little skittish, I see. How you doing, sir? Question. How long have you guys been here?
2 years in February.
2 years in February.
And we're about to move.
Oh, really? Where are you guys moving to?
We're moving to the building next door.
Oh, nice, nice, nice.
In about 2 weeks.
2 weeks? What made you you guys want to open up strictly a bird, exotic bird store, not?
Because there are none.
Oh.
Not around here.
Nice, nice.
Not around here. There's lots of people who own birds.
Yeah.
Who need a place to go get their supplies.
Yeah.
So, yeah, we want to cater to the bird people. We love birds. And I know there's tons of people out there who love birds. Yeah, I've been doing birds for many years, so there's got to be somebody out here to
focus on birds. Yeah.
I mean, there's dogs and cats stuff everywhere.
Yeah.
But even like if you go to Petco, PetSmart, if you go in there, they cater to dogs and cats.
Right.
If you go to their bird section, it's usually like one little wall, and it's limited to what they can fit on that one shelf.
Right.
Here, well, the new store.
Yeah.
We're going to be almost 6,000 square feet.
Oh, wow.
So we will be catering and carrying everything birds.
Do you guys breed your own birds too, or you can get a shipment in? Okay.
We only deal with licensed breeders.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
We usually get them in as babies and we hand feed them ourselves.
Oh, nice.
That way they stay friendly.
Yeah.
They're used to being loved and held and bond with humans is way better.
Right.
Now they have
that connection.
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh, this is neat. Yeah. Someone reached out to me, told me to come check it out. So.
Well, in a couple weeks.
Yeah.
Come see us at the new place.
Oh, I definitely will.
It's going to be
even bigger.
It's going to be probably one of the nicest bird stores in the United States.
Oh, nice. Oh, I definitely will.
Not just in Michigan. I'm talking in the country.
Yeah. Okay. I look forward to it.
It's been in the works for a while, and we're taking our time and doing it right.
Awesome. I definitely will do a part 2. Come right back.
Absolutely. Please do.
Thank you.
Bring friends and family if you like.
I will. Definitely will. Look at this guy right here.
Birds are very under.
Wow.
That puts birds on another level.
Right.
So,
yeah. That's very true. This place is definitely neat. Look at them. They hand raise the birds. Only deal with licensed breeders. They will be moving, as you heard, to a new location soon, just down the street. Beautiful birds. So friendly. Look at that. See if I can get a picture with them. Here. Hello. See if anyone. Hello. Hopefully, unlucky. Really see, so you can see how big he is. Look at this beautiful pink and white. Another big boy here. You got these two. They're like, what is this? And look at them. You got one playing. Look at the colors. So look, they're feeding, so they all are enjoying the meal and making a mess. The smartest animals. Almost make me want one.
Got our own little jungle room with birds.
Nice.
Completely get reworked.
Okay, okay. I definitely.
Definitely get some good content there.
Okay, thank you. Look at these two little birds. I'm trying not to spook them. They don't know what's in my hand, but some of them are putting on a show. One of them throwing food. So. Beautiful, active birds. So this is the only pet shop that specializes in strictly birds and birds only. So I would highly recommend you guys come check them out. And like he mentioned, they're going to be moving to a bigger establishment down the street. So I will be back to get footage and record and content of that place as well when they open up. Guys, make sure you guys are hitting that subscribe button, like, and share. Oh. Who's going back and forth? Look how strong their beaks look. Hopefully you don't think he want to bite. Let's see. Now look at this guy right here. Oh, try not to. Oh, let me get back. Okay. He a little feisty. What you doing, man? Look at the colors on this one. Hello. I love when they be able to talk. You know, that takes time. Nice. Look at the colors. I have never seen one like this, pink and white. Now this one, the cage is open. And there you have it, guys. This is the establishment. Let's show some of the supplies you would need to take care of these birds. A lot of these birds may live longer than humans, so you have to put these in your will. For employees only. But they have other birds. I don't know if these birds are more aggressive or I don't know. Maybe somebody purchased them, putting one in there. So this is pretty neat, guys. It's really, really, really neat as you. Oh, you know, open the cage to this one too. Oh, look at the colors on these. Oh. Look at that red. I'm trying to get to it. I'm trying to get out. So there you have it, guys. Exotic bird shop. In Belleville, Michigan. About a half an hour outside of downtown Detroit. Come check them out. They will be moving, but just down the street. Once again. So until next time, guys, appreciate your love. Hit the subscribe button. I will see you guys later.